Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2021 Wildwood Heritage Glen. It's a 24 RLHL. So it's kind of got like a rear living design, and it's got the chairs in the back. It's got the theater reclining. It's got a nice fireplace. This is a unit that has heated tanks on it. Very, very cool unit that is not 30-something feet long, and it's not over 6,000 pounds. So not a tiny little trailer, but it's also not a big giant mammoth either. So here, I'll show you some stuff on the inside. Right when you walk in here, it's got a big pantry that also has a rod up top with floating shelves that you can take out. So you can use this more as like a pantry type of style or as an extra closet. In the very rear, you got your nice back window with a really good view behind you. You have your theater seating here, so both of these seats recline. They're the Thomas Paine style furniture, so it's a little higher quality that lasts a little bit longer. Some of the cheap furniture they'll put in some units with light up cup holders. There's no registers for heat in the floor in this unit here. It's all ducted through the walls in different places there. You have this electric fireplace that is going to kind of heat this whole little area up pretty quickly here, so you don't always have to kick the furnace on if it gets a little chilly at night, or a little bit brisk when you wake up in the morning. You have heated tanks and your entire control panel up here with your awning switch and your slide out switch, and you have a nice big 40-inch TV above here in the entertainment center. You have a lot of windows in this unit here. You have in your kitchen area, you have 3 burners. You have a nice good size oven with a big storage compartment underneath for pots and pans, which is kind of hard to find in a lot of units. You have your microwave above, a lot of good cabinet storage above kitchen area as well, with a good size sink with a counter extension that flips up. The faucet here has an extendable hose and sprayer. You have a U-shaped dinette in this one, so it makes a nice big bed if you need an extra bed, and also you can sit more than a couple people at it comfortably. There's a lot of storage underneath that as well. You got a good sized fridge here with a good freezer. Now you have a very big door that's going to close off the bedroom and going to close off the bathroom. So nice big opening with a lot of counter space for a trailer, with a good sized medicine cabinet and a rather huge shower for a travel trailer. In the bedroom area, you have the walk around queen with storage underneath. There's closets on each side with some overhead storage as well. The Heritage Glen is a very nice high-end unit that we've been carrying for quite some time now, and we're very proud of here. There's a whole bunch more stuff I'd like to show you on this unit, so give me a call when you can. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you later.